First up, we're diving deep into Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. Our expert, Cynthia, is breaking down a fascinating puzzle involving AI, italics, and that mysterious lock icon. Is AI leading us astray, or is there a hidden clue in the interface? You'll find out. Next, we're tackling the news that's hitting hard: Microsoft layoffs. We'll cover the latest numbers, the ongoing trend, and what this means for the company and its employees. It's a significant story with widespread impact. Then, we shift gears to a massive financial development. Microsoft is making a colossal $20 billion deal with Nebius, a surging AI cloud infrastructure provider. Get the details on how this impacts the race for GPU power and what it means for Nebius and CoreWeave. And finally, we've got the full breakdown on the latest Microsoft layoffs, detailing the numbers and the continued impact. Stay tuned for all the critical updates, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a beat. AI's hidden clues: unlocking Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central's mysteries. Ever stared at your screen, baffled by a cryptic lock icon next to an action in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central? You're not alone. Our expert, Cynthia, dives into a situation where AI, specifically ChatGPT and Copilot, offered plausible but ultimately incorrect explanations for a peculiar interface behavior. The real answer, as it turns out, wasn't in the AI's suggestions, but in a subtle visual cue: italics. These italicized actions aren't locked due to permissions or field restrictions, but signify a dependency on a parent action, like item availability by location. The system uses italics to tell you these items don't stand alone and can't be manipulated independently. It's a brilliant reminder that sometimes the most advanced tools can miss the obvious, and human observation is key to truly understanding complex systems. This insight is crucial for anyone working with Business Central customizations, highlighting the importance of looking beyond automated suggestions to solve real-world problems. Now, don't go anywhere, because we're about to uncover some hard-hitting news about the company's workforce. What's next on the agenda? Let's talk about those ongoing Microsoft layoffs. The unfolding story: Microsoft's sustained layoffs amidst AI boom. Microsoft continues its significant workforce reductions, with another 42 employees laid off in Redmond, Washington, marking the 5th consecutive month of such actions. This ongoing trend has seen over 15,000 employees laid off company-wide since May, with Washington state alone accounting for over 3,200 affected workers. While a Microsoft spokesperson stated these changes are a necessary and regular part of managing our business and are separate from previous announcements, the sheer scale and duration are notable. This occurs even as Microsoft reported record quarterly revenue and profits, with its Azure Cloud Computing division showing impressive growth, surpassing rivals like Amazon Web Services. CEO Satya Nadella has acknowledged the uncertainty and seeming incongruence between financial success and job cuts, a sentiment echoed by other tech giants like Amazon, Salesforce, and Oracle, who are also undergoing their own workforce adjustments. But the story doesn't end with internal changes. Get ready for a massive financial shakeup that's sending shockwaves through the industry. We're talking about a colossal deal with Nebius. AI infrastructure surge: Microsoft's $20 billion bet on Nebius. In a move signaling the intense race for artificial intelligence dominance, Microsoft has inked a staggering deal worth up to $20 billion with Nebius, an emerging AI cloud infrastructure provider. This 5-year agreement will see Nebius lease significant computing power, primarily GPU capacity from its new data center in New Jersey, to Microsoft. The initial contract value stands at $17.4 billion, with potential to reach $19.4 billion. This deal has sent Nebius shares soaring by as much as 45% in after-hours trading, highlighting the immense investor appetite for companies at the core of AI compute supply. Rival CoreWeave also saw a 5% boost, benefiting from the spillover interest in GPU-focused providers. For Microsoft, this partnership diversifies its supplier base and secures critical GPU resources, complementing its already substantial AI capital spend, which is projected to reach $120 billion this year. Analysts maintain a strong buy consensus on Microsoft stock, anticipating further upside. And now, for the final piece of our update, we're circling back to the human element of these tech shifts. We'll wrap up with the latest details on those Microsoft layoffs. The unfolding story: Microsoft's sustained layoffs amidst AI boom. Microsoft continues its significant workforce reductions, with another 42 employees laid off in Redmond, Washington, marking the 5th consecutive month of such actions. This ongoing trend has seen over 15,000 employees laid off company-wide since May, with Washington state alone accounting for over 3,200 affected workers. While a Microsoft spokesperson stated these changes are a necessary and regular part of managing our business and are separate from previous announcements, the sheer scale and duration are notable. This occurs even as Microsoft reported record quarterly revenue and profits, with its Azure Cloud Computing division showing impressive growth, surpassing rivals like Amazon Web Services. CEO Satya Nadella has acknowledged the uncertainty and seeming incongruence between financial success and job cuts, a sentiment echoed by other tech giants like Amazon, Salesforce, and Oracle, who are also undergoing their own workforce adjustments. That's all the critical news for today on Microsoft Sphere. Make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive. And that's a wrap on today's Microsoft Sphere. We saw AI's tricky side in Business Central, witnessed the ongoing impact of Microsoft's workforce adjustments, celebrated a massive $20 billion deal with Nebius, and detailed the latest layoff numbers. Don't miss out, like this video, subscribe to Microsoft Sphere, ring that notification bell, share your thoughts in the comments, and follow us on all our social channels for more breaking news and analysis.